Welcome to my channel, made by Sherry Huff. I am Sherry and I am a content creator, embroidery and sewing enthusiast. And today we're going to make a quick video. We're going to do an unboxing of a gift that I got for Christmas that I have yet to open. I've been waiting on some other stuff to come in the mail so that I can try this out when I open it. So without further ado, we are going to unbox, voila, my very first serger. This is what is all supposed to come in the box. You've got the machine, the needles, tweezers, your tools that you use, and then the foot pedal. So let's see what all is in here. Alright, let's take the top off of this. And there she sits. Ah, I'm so excited! I am so stoked for this. I have always wanted a serger and have never had one. So this is super exciting for me. Super exciting. All right. So I am going to pull this out of here and set it on the table for you to see. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the Serger making the cut. It's super cute. It's already threaded with some coordinated colored thread, because you have a yellow, a red, a green, and a blue. And from what I've seen so far, this makes it really easy when you go to thread it, because you just follow the color coding that's down in here. I've had so many ideas lately running through my head, and I am just really excited for this. I can't wait to give it a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are a Serger person, please leave me a comment down below. If you have a Serger serger, and you have any tips or anything like that to leave them down below. I'm excited to give it a try. Find me on social media. Leave me a comment and let me know that you saw this video. And have a great day, and thanks for stopping by. All right, guys, so I have it unboxed. I have it all set up, plugged in on a little spot on my sewing table. You can see that I've already started the threading of it. That is all complete. So this is my serger, the Serger making the cut. And what was absolute excitement for it has turned into complete disappointment. Aww. And I will show you why. So I have it threaded. I've done many searches on YouTube. I've taken it all apart, rethreaded it. I have Googled everything. I have called Serger, this helpline, and did everything that they asked me to do. But so the machine is on right now, and if I raise the presser foot is up, if I put the material in here, drop the presser foot down. Okay. Now, it is set to normal. Everything on the side is on. The cutting blade is on. And this is what I get when I press the foot pedal. That's what I get. I mean, clearly it's got power, and clearly the motor in there is running, but something is not working right. So before I have to box it all back up and ship it all back, which is, you know, of course they won't just send me a new one and have me send this back. I have to send this one back, then they'll issue a refund, and then I can buy a new one if I wish. Before I do that, I wanted to reach out to the community and see if anybody had this exact same problem and maybe what you did to fix it, or maybe somebody has a suggestion of what could be going on. I have troubleshot it and rethreaded it and everything, and I, for the life of me, cannot figure out what's wrong. And this is the first Serger I've ever had, so I'm assuming that maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I do not know. So if you could leave me a comment down below, other than throw it out the window, because trust me, I want to do that. I was so excited to get this and thinking about all the different ways I could use it to go to just utter disappointment. I do, if it's an easy fix, I do have a sewing repair guy that I use that works on my baby lock and my other machines. But before I pay the money to take it to him, because, you know, money's tight for everyone, I want to see if anybody out there has any suggestions. Leave me your ideas, comments, and suggestions down below, and well, we'll see how it turns out, and I'll make my decision on what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, because there's no sad face on this. So I'll just have to settle for a thumbs up. Have a great day. Blessings all.